Right, let's get the latest now with our reporter Sentleeng Lehihi, who's tracking the story for us. Sentleeng, good afternoon to you. What is the latest now in Orkney?
Indeed, over 500 illegal mine workers have resurfaced through police operations Vala Umgodi. We've seen about 3 shafts there, seeing the re-emergence of these illegal miners, ensuring that many of them have now been kept here at one of the shafts in Sentleeng, some few kilometers from the abandoned shafts in Orkney. But some of them did resurface from this particular shaft. We understand that for now, a large police contingency remains posted here, together with medical personnel, to actually, look into the current condition of those who've resurfaced. As you'd realize that many of them have spent days without water and refreshments, as we saw the Vala Umgodi operation there. Look at blocking the bottleneck of water provision and food provision there, ensuring that these illegal mine workers are forced to resurface, to ensure, as the police spokesperson said there at Mate, that we show a clear indication of state authority there. We understand that there are still many more expected to resurface as the numbers there continue coming. Just to have a better understanding as to how this operation panned out and the successes and what is to happen following this resurfacing, we're going to speak to the provincial spokesperson of police, Colonel Adele Myburgh. Colonel, this is a massive operation. Over 500 have resurfaced. This is telling of the city and survival and sheer illegality that happens just under our feet.
Absolutely. Vala Umgodi, as you said, are really being so successful. For the last 3 weeks, they started blocking, as you said, all the entrances and stopping the provision of food and water and taking it and seizing it. So for the last 3 weeks, these people were really feeling the pressure underground and they couldn't get water and food, so they started resurfacing for the last 3 weeks. Up until the 2nd of November, we've had 252 that came up, and this morning a further 340 surfaced, bringing the total to 565 in total, and we expect that there's definitely going to be more to follow.
As we expect more to resurface, we understand that many of those here are still being processed and receiving medical care due to concerns around their health, dehydration and lack of food.
That's correct. You'll see around us, ambulances have been called, the Department of Health is on par, as well as all other emergency services assisting us to work through this huge number of people and making sure that they are treated the right way.
We expect that those who resurfaced as the Vala Umgodi operations began last week with the intense limiting of food, some of those have been processed and will be making an appearance in court tomorrow?
Absolutely, yes. Those that have been coming up since will definitely be going to court. A lot of them will be going tomorrow on Monday.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time, Colonel. Word coming there from the provincial spokesperson that we expect that those who have already been processed since the Vala Umgodi operations intensified last week are likely to appear in court tomorrow, and those who have resurfaced today will be processed and see their day in court as well. From us here, as we anticipate much more of these illegal mine workers to resurface. Back to you in studio.
To SABC News reporter there, Sentleeng Lehihi in Orkney.